Did you know Ontario's legislative building, commonly referred to as Queen's Park, officially opened its doors on April 4th, 1893? Let's go back in time and look at some of the interesting things that happened that day. The premier was 72-year-old Sir Oliver Mowat. According to folk history, he approached the grand new building and right before opening its doors, turned to the clerk and asked, "How are we going to fill it with people?" Little did he know that within 20 years, the building would indeed be filled. And on top of that, it endured as a symbol of provincial government for well over 100 years. But back to opening day. The proceedings began at noon, where the national flag, which was a Canadian red ensign, was hoisted on its mast. Now, that Tuesday happened to be a windy one. The force was so strong that a window in the West Wing was shattered. But that didn't stop thousands of people from coming to the site to celebrate. They were invited into the building, and one of the main attractions were the electric elevators. People were piling in to ride them up and down until one got stuck, and they had to shut them down for the night. When visitors to the legislature left, one horse cab ride home cost 20 cents. The next day, the event topped the headlines of the newspapers, and one even recapped the opening event as a, quote, notable occasion. What else happened around that time? Well, the first ever Stanley Cup was awarded to the Montreal Amateur Athletic Association. The author, Beatrix Potter, dreamed up the character Peter Rabbit, and a new sweet and salty treat was released. Cracker Jack. What a time it was. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Amanda Cupido.